Listen, if you think ChatGPT is just a glorified search engine, you're already behind. I'm Ron Wilson, and today we're doing ChatGPT for Dummies QA Revolution style. Because let's be honest, in our world, green builds are not luck. They are methodology, and this tool, it's part of the method. Everyone and their developer cousin is using this thing, but most of them are just playing with a toy. We're going to use it like a scalpel. It hit 100 million users faster than any app in history. Now it's basically the air we breathe in tech. But what actually is it? GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Sounds fancy, right? Let's break that down. Generative means it doesn't just find stuff, it creates. It's not Google, it's a writer that has read everything. Pre-trained means it spent its childhood reading the entire internet. Books, code, Reddit rants, all of it. And the transformer, that's the architecture that lets it understand context. It's the difference between a parrot and a person. Before we get into the heavy lifting, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button. Join the QA revolution. We don't do luck here. When you first log in, it looks simple, too simple. That's where most people get tripped up. They treat it like a search bar. If you want senior level output, you need senior level prompts. It's called prompt engineering, and it follows a formula. First, assign a role. Don't just ask for a test plan. Tell it, you are a senior SDET with 15 years of experience. Then give it context and a format. Write a Python script for this API, formatted as a markdown table. Precise. Now I know what you're thinking. Ron, will this replace the developers? Well, considering how many bugs they still ship, maybe, but probably not. It's about augmentation. It's about doing the boring stuff, like writing boilerplate code so we can focus on breaking things properly. You also need to know its limits. The knowledge cutoff is real. It doesn't know what happened 5 minutes ago unless you give it web access. And then there are hallucinations. Sometimes it just lies, confidently. It's like that one developer who swears the build is green when it's clearly red. This is why we're in QA. We verify. Never take an AI-generated script and push it to prod without reading every single line. Privacy check. Don't paste your company's proprietary code into the free version. OpenAI isn't your personal vault. Use the enterprise tier for that. You've got choices. GPT-4o is the powerhouse. GPT-4o Mini is the speedster. Pick the right tool for the job. Sound familiar? Let's talk about the secret weapon, advanced data analysis. This is where ChatGPT goes from a writer to a full-blown data scientist. You can upload massive CSVs of test results or server logs. Ask it to find the pattern in these failures and watch it work. It doesn't just list data, it visualizes it. It'll generate charts and graphs that make your reports actually look professional. Imagine that. Under the hood, it's actually writing and running Python code to process your files. It's like having a junior data dev at your beck and call. It handles PDFs, JSON, images, you name it. For us in QA, being able to parse a messy log file in seconds is a superpower. Then there's the multimodal stuff, voice, vision, and reasoning. It's not just text anymore. It can see what you see. Take a screenshot of a broken UI, upload it, ask, what's wrong with this layout according to material design principles? It actually knows. In advanced voice mode, you can literally have a Socratic debate with your AI about the merits of your automation strategy while you drive to work. OpenAI also launched the GPT Store. It's like the App Store, but for specialized AI. There are custom versions for everything. I've seen custom GPTs for SQL optimization, Jira ticket generation, and even some that specialized in developer roast mode. Highly recommended. The best part, you can build your own, no code required. Just tell the builder what you want your QA assistant to do, and it's done. Need 100 edge case test scenarios for a new payment API? Boom, 5 seconds, but you have to know what to ask. Ask it for boundary conditions, negative testing, and race conditions. Speak its language and it speaks yours. I use it to roast developer code, paste a PR, and ask, where did my dev forget to handle the null pointer? It's a game changer. It's not just about finding bugs, it's about refining the logic before it even hits the test environment. Efficiency is key. Want to learn a new framework? Don't spend hours on a boring tutorial. Ask ChatGPT to explain it to you like you're a senior engineer in a rush. It'll cut through the fluff and give you exactly what you need to start building or breaking immediately. Now, if you really want to unlock the brain of this model, you need to use chain of thought prompting. Don't just ask for the answer, ask it to think step by step. Here's a pro tip. Use the custom instructions. Tell it your style, your tech stack, and your no-go zones once, so you don't have to repeat yourself. When you force the AI to show its work, its accuracy on complex logic and math tasks spikes. It's the difference between a guess and a methodology. Set it to concise, technical, and slightly sarcastic. It'll sound a lot more like me and a lot less like a robot. Also give it constraints. Tell it what not to do. Don't use jargon. Don't exceed 200 words. Boundaries create better output. Period. We're just at the beginning of the AI revolution. Agents, multimodal reasoning, it's going to get wild. You need to be ready. Think of constraints like your test environment. Without them, things get chaotic. With them, you get repeatable, reliable results. Because at the end of the day, the people who master these tools are the ones who will define the next decade of engineering. We need to talk about the dark side. AI bias and data privacy. This isn't just a technical problem, it's a professional responsibility. So that's the ChatGPT primer. It's powerful, it's flawed, and it's absolutely essential for your toolkit. If you're on a free account, your data might be used for training. Never, and I mean never, put PII or trade secrets into a public prompt. For the full breakdown and my personal prompt library, head over to corevolution.com. I've put everything you need there. And remember, the AI is trained on human data. It carries our biases. It's our job as QA to spot those biases before they become features. Remember, green builds are not luck. They are methodology. I'm Ron Wilson, and I'll see you in the next one. The verification loop never ends. The AI is a co-pilot, not the captain. You still have to fly the plane. Stay sharp, stay skeptical, and keep breaking things. Out!